Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In our last tutorial, I have explained you what are the fixtures, how we can create the custom fixtures, what are the purpose and the benefits of using the fixtures. In this video, I will show you a real-time practical example where I will create a login fixture and we will use that fixtures in our different test cases. So let's begin. So first we will create the conftest.py file. Now this is a special pytest file. Basically, pytest automatically discovers this file and makes any fixtures inside it available to all the test files in the same directory and its subdirectories. So that's why we will place all the reusable fixtures like login, which we will create right now, and we'll put that inside that file. So let's create conftest file and simply go here, new Python file, and you need to name it as conftest.py, and we will be using the pytest fixture. So we need to import the pytest on the first level. So import pytest, and then from Playwright dot sync underscore API, we need to import the page fixture, and this page is basically a built-in fixture over here. Now let's create a function. Let me name it as logged in page. So logged underscore in underscore page, and here we'll be using the page colon page, and inside this we'll be writing the login for the OrangeHRM. Now what we need to do is that, let me see, because we have worked on login previously. So let me copy these lines of the code from user click, admin 123, and login. So this is the whole code which will actually logged in into the application, right? So let me go back to contest file, and here I need to provide these all the steps. So we are navigating to OrangeHRM demo website. We are locating the username field. We don't need to click on this one. So simply we can fill this field with the text admin as a username and password as 123, and then we need to click on login. And once you're logged in, you can wait until the dashboard loads. So basically I will say page dot wait for URL, and we can give a pattern using double static. So double static slash dashboard, and okay. And now what we need to do, we need to create a yield. Now yield will give the login page to the test. So I will say yield page, and that's it. Now our fixture is ready. We need to use this fixture in our test. So we will create a test and use this as a fixture. But still, this is not a fixture, right? This is simple function. We need to convert it into a fixture. So how we can do it? So on this function, on top of this function, we need to write @pytest dot, you see that we have a fixture over here. Now this function will be treated as a fixture. So simply we have just created a custom fixture. Now I will create a test, and inside the test I will not be using all these steps. I will directly write my test and that's it, and pass this fixture. Let me show you How you can do this? So simply let's create a one test file. So test underscore dashboard and again here we need Playwright. So copy this one, paste this one, and let's create a function test underscore dashboard. So this is a function, and inside this let's do some simple verification. For that, let's go to the browser, and here just log in into OrangeHRM website, admin 1, 2, 3, enter. And here basically we also need to update the URL because it says /dashboard/index. So copy this one, go back here, go to our conftest file, so here /index, and now let's go back to the test. Here simply we can write directly a test expect, and then we need a locator, right? So but before that we also need to use a fixture, because we cannot directly run this test. This test needs to log in first, then you can verify something on the dashboard. So how we can use this fixture, right? Simply copy the name of the fixture, come back here and pass this one. That's it. Now expect logged-in.page dot locator, and let's go here. Let's try to assert this one. Right click, inspect. So this is H6 to have a value dashboard. So let me copy this one and let's go back. So locator is basically H6 and H6 dot to underscore have underscore text. And what we need to do is that what is the expectation? This is the expectation. Now it says some error because it is unable to resolve this expect over here. So we need to resolve this one, right? Because we haven't used the expected over here. That's why it's showing this one. So let's import this one. So from this page, expect, and if you are not using the page, you can simply remove that page from here. Now this test is simply verifying the head. On the dashboard, there should be a heading at 6. We should have a text dashboard, right? And again, here we are not writing any kind of a logged-in steps. We just create a logged-in fixture inside our conftest file. And from here, you see that 2 uses, and use is basically around here. This one and this one. So what we'll do is that now we will run this file or this test. It will automatically run this fixture for us. Okay. So simply pytest space s-v-k name of the test in the edit mode. Now let's run this one and see what happens over here. So you will see that it will provide the username, password, and our test passed. Now how it worked? Basically, when I executed this test, it sees that, oh, there's fixture, and fixture is basically defined in conftest file, and conftest is basically a special pytest file because pytest automatically discovers this file and makes any fixture inside it available to the all the tests. That's why we have created the conftest file, and inside that we have created this fixture. So when we are using this command, so pytest automatically discovers this file and make this fixture available to all the tests. So that's how you can create the custom fixtures and use those fixtures in your tests.